Grate a potato and have dinner ready in minutes. In a frying pan, start by grating a potato, then spread it out evenly. Next, let's crack 2 eggs. Season with a little salt. Cover and let it cook thoroughly. Meanwhile, in a pan with butter or margarine, add ham. Once the ham is browned, set it aside. Now, on top of our potato and egg mixture, add mozzarella. Let it cook until the cheese melts completely. Now we just need to grab it. Let's transfer it to a plate. Top with slices or pieces of tomato. Add our ham. Then sprinkle some oregano. And now, folks, just enjoy. Look how amazing this recipe turns out. Make it at home. I'm sure everyone will love it. A super quick, easy, and delicious dinner. I hope you enjoyed it. Take care. See you next time. Thanks.